Here I have SONY Xperia Z5 and let me show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding the power key, keep holding power, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards you need to prepare a micro USB cable connected to your PC. Then let's start holding volume up right here, keep holding volume up, and while holding volume up, connect your phone to your PC by using micro USB cable. And that's it, release volume up. As you can see, the blue LED pops up right here, the blue light. It means the device is in Fastboot mode, so you can use this mode right now. If you would like to quit this mode, you can disconnect your device from your PC and simply start holding the power key right here. The SONY Xperia is turning into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent, the device is in normal mode, now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.